Welcome to Baz Travels.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
Descending the south steps of Lincoln Memorial, we leave the soaring neoclassic marble behind and enter a landscape that feels much more immediate and visceral. A short walk through the trees brings us to the Korean War Veterans Memorial, one of the most unique and emotional grouping sites on the National Mall. While the Lincoln Memorial is a temple to an individual, this is a monument to the collective experience of a foot soldier. It doesn't look up towards the sky, it looks across the ground, pulling into rugged, terrifying reality of a conflict that is often called a forgotten war. The centerpiece of the memorial is the Field of Service, featuring 19 stainless steel statues sculpted by Frank Gaylord. These figures represent a cross-section of the American military, Army, Navy, Military Corps, and Air Force, dressed in full combat gear and heavy wind-blown ponchos. They are depicted moving through a patch of juniper and granite, symbolizing the harsh mountainous terrain of the Korean Peninsula. Unlike the static, idealized statues of the past, these men are in motion. Their faces carry expressions of exhaustion, alertness, and the 1,000-yard stare, of soldiers who are constantly looking for a threat that could emerge from any direction. As you walk alongside the statues, you notice they are reflected in a massive wall of polished black granite. This is the mural wall. It is etched with over 2,400 photographic images of the support personnel who made the frontline efforts possible. Nurses, mechanics, dog handlers, and chaplains. Because of the way the granite is polished, the reflection of the 19 steel statues appears to mix with the etched faces of the wall. This creates a symbolic total of 38 figures, representing the 38th parallel that divides North and South Korea and remains the most fortified border in the world today. The design of this space is meant to be unsettling. There is no central entrance. You simply find yourself walking among the troops. The windswept ponchos and the way the statues are spaced apart creates a sense of isolation even in the middle of a group. It reminds us that combat is a deeply personal experience, even when fought on a global stage. This memorial honors the 5.8 million Americans who served during the 3-year conflict, and it specifically recognizes those who fought in the often sub-zero temperatures and brutal conditions. The walk concludes at the Pool of Remembrance, a quiet circle of water surrounded by a grove of trees. On a wall nearby, the simple but profound inscription reads, "Freedom is not free." It is a stark conclusion to the experience. Standing here, looking back at the ghostly figures emerging from the brush, you realize that the stability of the republic we celebrated at the Lincoln Memorial was defended by these men in a land halfway across the world. This site ensures that their sacrifice is forgotten no longer.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.